Okay, I'm here with a recording here on the Dow trade short. I usually don't trade the Dow. I mean, I used to trade it more often, but nowadays I don't trade it as much. But I did take a couple trades on it today. One of them was a short from here at 57, and my stop was at 96, or I think it was 97. My stop was a 40 tick stop. For whatever reason, I got stopped out. So I took just took that spike in here that took me out. But in my book, it was still valid. So that was a big push up, like a spike up, getting some people long to get it back down. So I went back short here at 73, as you can see. My target is at 79. So I'm gonna pause it. I'm willing the profit. I mean, obviously, I'm gonna move my stop down if it was to move against me. As a matter of fact, when I'm looking at my levels on my other screen, I think we might be able to get to 72, 771. So I'm gonna pause this and see how it goes. Okay, I think looks like there's some push to the downside here. So let's see what happened. I'm gonna move my stop down at another negative bar here. I'm gonna move my stop to this swing, which really virtually in my mind is there. But probably what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna capture at least. Let me put that 43. Oh, 43. Yeah. I'm gonna capture at least 20 ticks here. No, actually 30 ticks. Because sometimes it spike up to the swing and go back down. I don't want to get spiked out. So let's see what happened here. And I'm gonna pause for now and see what happened. Maybe it may go now. So let's pause. I think based on the other floor here, they may just push this down at any moment. So that's why I'm putting the recording back on. Let's see if we can capture this target being hit live. I think they got a couple of ticks below the swing. Now some buyers are trying to play with it, but
Target filled.
as you can see, target filling another position that I had. Um, but with
Target filled.
Now this is the real money right there. So my other thing I was playing in the background with another strategy. So again, I lost 40. I think it was 40, 39 ticks to be exact, because I got here at 57. They took me out at 96. That was 39 ticks lost, and I just made about 102. So 102 ticks minus, and also that was on two contracts. I was trading two contracts here because I knew there was a possibility they could go back up and fetch some things, but again, my lesson in this trade is really put my stop above the round number. But I would have survived it. That's fine. They took me out here for loss of 39 ticks. Now I just capture 102. So they just hit it right there and turn around. So that level I had my target in was a pretty good support level. So that's it for today. We got, let me, so you guys can see the markings. I mean, because I have do not plot on, but I'm just gonna put it. So like you can see here, um, let me remove this. My first entry was at 57. How do I get? Let's see if I can get my markings. Price markers. I'm gonna make him slight. Is I call him black? Oh no, that's not what I want. Let me pause so I can fix this. I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. Coming here. So yeah, this is my first short because things actually, again, was a really shallow retracement. Typically, they would go for a bigger retracement. They went to the 38.2 here, and they actually close to get to the 50. Actually, they got to the 50. This is almost like the golden zone between the 50 and the 61.8. So really, that you could tell this was after the fact, but in theory, this was a better entry zone, and they went to that zone exactly within the 50 from this leg to this, from this top to this bottom. That was the retracement zone they went to sell it off again, and I got in at 73, survived a little retracement here, and then they came back and tagged me out. So that's it. I have some other things, so the reasons that I got into this trade, but it's plus 70, what, plus 70, no, 103.39, about 64 ticks on the YM on 4 contracts. It's not too bad, not too bad. Actually, I traded 2 contracts here. Okay, I got stopped out at 2 contracts that was in the same candle. I said, let me get back in because my setup was still valid. Unless they took out this high, they went up. They went up toward those resistance areas. Then I would have gotten out, but I would have not traded again. But I've got in, survived this retracement, moved my stop here, and now it's really at a support area. It's probably gonna play around here for a while. Either they reverse it completely or they keep pushing down. But either way, I'm out for the day. Hi guys, happy trading. Take care. Bye bye.